Slenergy, standardized complete PV systems for easy installation. Time is money. This is especially true for installation. Do standardized complete systems help here? Watch now. Dear visitors, welcome at Intersolar Europe 2023 in Munich. We are here at the booth of Slenergy. Next to me is Mr. Tuareg Tong, President, Overseas Sales Center of Slenergy. Mr. Tong, actually you are presenting first time in Europe your new iShare home system. Could you just explain a little bit what this offers?
Okay, so first, thank you so much for giving us a chance here to introduce our product here. And also, nice to meet you, Mr. Hans.
Yeah, okay.
So let me do some simple explanation about our product. Actually, our product is most different with others. Is we use one brand and all-in-one solution. The meaning the customer no need like as usually they should purchase panels from A, purchase inverter from B, battery from C, and so on, and blah blah so on. So that's why this is a big difference with others. We are only one window. So this is most different with other suppliers.
Your focus is also, one of your focus is easy installation.
Yes.
So actually, this offers several advantages also to save money with easy installation, save time.
Yes, so let me give you some sample about our simple installation. For example, for the cable, for a normal company, they will do what? They will give you a raw cable. You should make a terminal at site. But what we do, we make a pre-installation for the terminal. And when you at site, you just need to use your cable, connect with your inverter very easily, like this. One action, no more. For the battery, we use a stable design, modular design. You no need to make the very at site. Just put and down. Yes.
Well, so actually this also means, okay, it's a faster installation.
Yes, you're right. This is just for at site work. Also, there are some other works like normally they buy from ABCD different suppliers. They need to make a separate panels and inverters everything to their installer. But what we do, like we provide from 4 kilowatt up to 15 kilowatts kit. All kit packaged, all packaged at office at the site. That's like a 10 kilowatt set. You just give you the package just for 10 kilowatt cable, 10 kilowatt manufacturer, and multi-structure, something like that.
Okay, so I understand. I can order the complete packages from you for different sizes. I can say, okay, it's for small residential home, for middle-sized residential home, and in these terms, you're just the customer is more flexible, but he has the whole package. Yes. But Mr. Tong, also the question, I think that's a crucial thing already. What about now quality aspects?
I'll give you some information about our quality. Actually, we use precision manufacturing to make our product. This is totally different with other companies. The precision is much more difficult than others. This is one thing. The second thing, we can provide the visualization system for you. Once you get our product, you scan the QR code, then you can track all main part information, what happened at factory. This is what other company cannot provide for you.
It's quite impressive. We just see the newcomer Slenergy from China just combines the really fast and easy installation also with quality monitoring assurance. I think that's an important step for residential applications.
One more thing, we have a local team, we have a local service, we have local office also.
Not to forget the local service. Of course, that's crucial. That's for Germany, but in other steps for whole Europe. Mr. Tong, thanks a lot. And
thank you so much.
I wish you good luck. And if you want to know more about Slenergy now, watch here.